I hope you like the recipe, so please subscribe, share and like.